there's good real estate agents, there's bad real estate agents, right? There's good credit repair companies, there's bad credit repair companies. And the complaint I keep hearing from buyers who are just wanting to purchase a home, they want to take that next step, but the only thing standing in their way, like this guy in the parking lot, had a fantastic income, but the only thing standing in his way was that stinking credit score. And so there's so many people that want to take that next step, but either have been led into a situation where they paid a bunch of money and then saw no results, or they just don't even know that somebody like you exists. So how would somebody reach, like, if somebody was to begin the process with you, what does that typically look like?
Typically, we don't advertise. I like to get I've started my business organically and have run it organically. So we're referral based only for the most part. So typically if someone wants to get a hold, if they're working with a lender that works with us, that's how they get a hold of us. I'll leave obviously our information on this, but when it comes down to it, people have come to us because of a trusted source. Maybe someone that we've worked with before, and they say, hey, look, you worked with my son, my daughter, whatever, or you're working with my lender. They came over with you and, hey, let's rock and roll. I heard you can do some good things.